Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the Google Chrome extension interrupted error, and there is many ways to fix this, so you just need to follow the steps to fix this problem. Click on the three dot option in your Google Chrome and simply open up your settings. So once you open the setting, here on the left hand side scroll down and simply click on the system settings. Now here you have to just turn off this two and then simply turn it on. So after that, just restart the Chrome and see your problem is fixed or not. Then go to the privacy and security, click on the go to the safety check. Then click on the delete browsing data, click on the advanced, select a time range to the all time. Then you can check all of these boxes. Now you can just click on the delete data. So before deleting your data, you need to secure your important data on your sites. Then you can simply click on the delete and then you can just simply restart your Chrome browser and your problem is fixed. And if your problem is not fixed, then you can scroll down and click on the reset setting. Click on the restore settings. Now here, click on the reset setting. Now your all the Chrome settings will be restored to the original and your problem is fixed. And guys, if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video because this is the only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.